We begin with today's development from Baptist Health in Fort Smith. We first told you today the hospital is cutting even more staff and even more services. 5 News reporter Taylor Howard in the studio with us now to talk more about this announcement. Taylor.
That's right, Darren. Now we're taking a closer look about how those decisions came together.
Where are we going to go for help? Like, that's kind of like nerve-wracking. It's kind of scary. Like, I thought that's what hospitals are for.
Questions like that are coming up after Baptist Health announced major changes at its Fort Smith hospital. Baptist Health entered the Fort Smith market in 2018 with plans to expand its services. Those plans were later put on hold during the pandemic. Since then, leaders say the hospital has lost more than $120 million. They say those losses are driven by getting paid less while costs continue to rise. We told you in March when the hospital announced it would close its labor, delivery, obstetrics, and NICU services. Now the hospital is cutting multiple services and about 150 positions over the next 60 days, including 10 physicians. Inpatient services like nephrology, pulmonary, oncology, and infectious disease are being eliminated. Several clinic services, including cardiology, pediatric, and neurology, are also ending. Emergency care, surgery, radiology, and medical surgery care will remain, along with geriatric psychiatry. Last week, we talked with Fort Smith State Representative Ryan Rose about whether he thought the hospital could fully close. He says he does not believe it will.
I know that there's heartburn and concern from a number of companies and corporations in the River Valley who've given a similar story and then closed their doors not too long after. So I recognize that. And I'm not saying that I'm 100% confident that their plan's going to work. Their goal is to remain in Fort Smith and to restructure in a way that serves the River Valley well.
The hospital says no changes are planned for Baptist Health's campus in Van Buren. Taylor Howard, 5 News.
All right.